Welcome to my YouTube channel Travel Snappy. Let us look at some delicious Sri Lankan food today. Now, this is a traditional food eaten by Sri Lankans everywhere. You see the Kiribath here is the milk rice, okay, with the Kata Sambol, and this is boiled chickpeas, okay. It's in the bag and it's still big, the bag. So, but it's boiled chickpeas, and this is Kiribath and the Kata Sambol. It's a very delicious meal. And after that is eaten, or while that is being eaten, the banana, it's called the this is one type of banana called sini in Sri Lanka, and this is a very staple diet taken by most Sri Lankans as a breakfast. It's very healthy as well, okay. So if you're visiting Sri Lanka, especially even in Colombo or Kandy or Galle or any other place, you should definitely try these dishes out. And most homestays and hotels offer the Kiribath, the Kadala, the chickpeas, the boiled chickpeas, and the banana. So like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a like, and kindly to visit my website to check out the blogs. If you're looking to book a flight or a hotel, please do visit my website. You can book it through the booking.com search engine or the trip.com search engine. There is a inbuilt search box where you can get special offers. Okay, so I'll leave the description of my website to check that out as well, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Until my next video. Bye bye.